Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get mods for your Steam games and add them directly through the Steam Workshop. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in and on the main Steam interface, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen. Here, hover your mouse over the Community tab. This will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, click on Workshop. The Steam Workshop is essentially a hub where creators upload modifications, custom content, and add-ons for thousands of games, making it incredibly easy to enhance your gaming experience without having to manually install files. Once the Workshop page loads, you'll see a search bar on the right panel. Click on it and type in the name of the game you want to find mods for. As you type, Steam will automatically suggest matching game titles below the search bar. Go ahead and click on the name of your game from the suggested results. This will take you directly to that game's dedicated Workshop page, where all available mods and community content are displayed. Now, take a look at the left panel of the Workshop page. You'll notice a variety of filters available to help you narrow down your search. These filters allow you to sort mods by categories like most popular, most recent, highest rated, or specific types of content depending on the game. Click on your preferred filter to organize the results in a way that suits what you're looking for. This makes it much easier to discover high-quality mods or specific types of content that match your interests. Once you've applied your filters, browse through the results and click on the Workshop mod that catches your eye. This will open up the mod's individual page, where you can read the description, view screenshots, check user reviews, and see what changes or features the mod adds to your game. When you're ready to install the mod, simply click the subscribe button. Steam will automatically begin downloading the mod in the background. There's no need to manually extract files or place them in specific folders. Steam handles everything for you, and the mod will be ready to use the next time you launch the game. Depending on the size of the mod and your internet speed, this process may take a few moments, so just give it a little time to complete. And that's it. You've successfully subscribed to a mod through the Steam Workshop, and it's now integrated into your game. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.